welcome to Tim Tillman Home Improvement. We're here again today to give you a project. One of the things that I wanted to promote also for my wife and I are our business, and this is what we do. We basically beautify houses and give you tips and traits that you could use around your house for the least amount of money to beautify your house and things of that nature. If you guys want to go on our website and subscribe, we'd appreciate it. You can follow us and we can give you tips and things that'll make your house look beautiful. But today we're going to talk about a railing. Now this is our railing in the house right now, and this is just your standard railing that you would have in any house as it is. What we're going to do today is we're going to replace these wood with some nice iron and give it really a nice little decorative trait with not a lot of money. These basically, to fill this whole area that we have here, is going to cost you about $260. And if you do it yourself, that's really all you'll be paying for. So basically, these are the things that we're going to be doing today. We're going to change it up, so we're going to go with one spindle and then just a plain bar and then two spindles, and we're going to rotate it through the entire area. The tools you're going to need for this are very basic. You're basically just going to need a saw with a blade that's going to be able to cut the metal, because the metal usually comes taller. As you can see already, it's taller than what our spots are. So we're going to measure once we drill into the pieces so that we know exactly what we're looking at as far as height-wise. And then you've got your caps. You're going to need one for the top and one for the bottom. Some of these caps will also come in angles, depending on if you have stair rails that go up and you want to do something like that. They also have these as well. All right, but these are flat, so these are made for just straight across, straight runs. Okay, so as you've seen so far, we've put in a few so you can kind of get the difference of exactly what it looks like, or what it's going to look like after it's finished compared to what it looked like before. Kind of give you an idea of how much better this is going to be to beautify the house and make it look really, really like a luxurious kind of look. So again, it was very simple to do. Basically, hand saw to cut this pieces out here, drill 3/4 hole at the bottom there because you have a square peg here which it'll fit into, 5/8 at the top which has the round already inserted in there. You just make sure that you drill enough inside this piece here so that you're able to pull it up, mark it, give it a nice tight fit so that when you push it down a little bit, it gives it a nice stability to hold into place, and when you lock these into the top and the bottom, you're good to go. And these are already done. Alright, so I'm going to keep going now and kind of show you the other thing. The one thing I do want to recommend, always wear your safety glasses when you're cutting these things, because this is metal pieces that are going to be sharpening out of the saw, so you want to make sure that you're safe. So again, make sure you're wearing your safety glasses when you're doing your cuts. So let's keep going and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so now you've seen the finished product of how it looks once it's done. We've taken the wood out, now we've done the iron. We've done a nice design here so that it makes it look really, really, you know, a lot better looking than it did before. Again, it wasn't very time consuming at all. It's just basic with the basic tools that I showed you. The only thing that's a little time consuming is you have a Allen wrench that you have on these caps that are on the bottom and the top. What we did is we spun it so the screw is out, not looking at if you're here. So by us having to turn it this way, it makes it a little longer to make sure that they're all nice and tight. But nevertheless, this is the finished product. Again, we're going to have much more videos to come, so please subscribe and check us out. We've got some really cool planners made out of tires that we're going to be doing, different than what you've seen before, and some other things coming in the pipeline that are going to be really good for what you're going to be doing in the house that could actually really be a benefit to the household. All right? So have a great day. Please subscribe and see you soon.